Hi, I'm Suzanne McDonald, STEM Teaching Specialist with WVU Extension STEM Care. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our newest Try This at Home activity, Bean in a Bag. The supplies you're going to need for this activity include tape, water, a marker to put the date on the bag, bean seeds, paper towels, and of course your baggie. You also should have received a brochure that has some instructions, step by step, how to do this activity. So beans are in the family, the legume family, or Fabaceae family, and some other plants that you may have seen in West Virginia that are in this same legume family include redbud trees and clover, and of course your garden green beans. You also received some seeds if you're doing our Try This at Home activity. These are chickpea seeds, and these are things that you can find in the grocery store even. We're going to look at how these germinate differently and how they look as they germinate. Over the course of your observations, you may find that they actually look a little different as they germinate. To get started, you're going to fold your paper towel so that it fits in the bottom of your bag. You may need to cut your paper towel in order to make it fit. And then you're going to wet your paper towel. Now, you don't want it so wet that it drips, so I'm going to squeeze out just a little of the excess water. And then you're going to put it inside your bag. Now I'm going to go ahead and write the date on the bag so that I know when I started this experiment. Then I'm going to put the paper towel in the bottom of the bag. We want it resting right on the bottom. So once you have your paper towel in, then you can add, I'm going to add 2 of each kind. And we want them to be about 1 inch from the top. So I'm going to drop them in and then ease them up. We want them 1 inch from the bottom of the bag. There. I'm going to flatten that out. And then we're going to add a piece of tape to one side of the bag. I'm not going to tape it shut. We want our bag we want our beans to be able to get some air. Leave the bag open and put your tape on the side of the bag, and then we're going to tape it to the window. You want to avoid a window that might be too cold or too hot. You're going to observe your seedlings over time. You may only see the beans absorb the water and expand. So the beans have a little pore inside the seed coat, and this allows the water to be absorbed inside the bean. And as it expands, it initiates the signals to start germination. And once it starts germination, the first thing you're going to see is the baby root, called the radicle. Once the radicle emerges, it's going to start slurping up lots of water. And then you're going to see rapid change. Record what you see each day.